The investigation continues tonight into a deadly train collision in Rensselaer County.
State police say a pedestrian was hit in Schodack this morning, and it comes less than a month after two deadly train accidents in Cobleskill and Rensselaer.
News 10 ABC's Anthony Krolikowski speaking with the rail safety advocates, seeing how these crashes could be prevented.
Before 9 a.m., state police responding here on River Road for a train and pedestrian collision. The line being closed for hours until a body was taken from the tracks behind me. Amtrak says train 236 was traveling from Albany to New York City when someone trespassing on the tracks collided with it. Amtrak adds the 122 passengers and crew on board were not harmed. Empire State Passengers Association says there is little the engineer can do to stop the train and prevent a tragedy like this.
But in most instances, the train is traveling at such a speed that they are unable to stop. Railroads have to resort to fencing the right-of-way. That's often done in more populated areas.
The Federal Railroad Association states that trespassing along railroad rights of way is the leading cause of rail-related deaths in America. According to Operation Lifesaver, which is running Rail Safety Week at the end of June, 27 people died in New York in 2022 from illegal rail crossing, and 34 were injured.
There are people that intentionally place themselves on the tracks. A lot of instances where people are wearing headphones and cannot hear the train approaching. Then certainly there are situations where people are impaired either from alcohol or drugs that cause them to act in an unsafe manner.
These fatal incidents also affect Amtrak workers on the train. That's why they have an assistance program to help with employees' mental health. As of right now, there is no official cause of the accident.
The train had a camera on board and has a video recording of the incident, and so that is being reviewed at this moment, and a determination is being made as to the cause of the incident.
The investigation into the collision is still ongoing. Stay with News 10 both on air and online as we learn more information. Reporting in Schodack, Anthony Krolikowski, News 10 ABC.